Python's random.sample, k equals 0, raises value error, even though sampling 0 items from an empty list should be valid. Here's why that assumption breaks, and the one-line fix that saves production bugs. Imports Python's built-in random module to enable access to its sampling functionality. Enters a try-except structure to catch potential errors during execution of the next line. Calls random.sample with an empty list as population and k set to 0, requesting 0 elements to be sampled without replacement. Catches only value error exceptions that might occur in the preceding try block. Formats and prints a string containing the literal text value error, followed by the exception's error message stored in E. But this line never executes because no exception was raised. Outputs a horizontal separator line to visually distinguish between experimental and functional code blocks. Declares a new function named safe_sample that takes 2 arguments, population and k, designed to wrap random sample while avoiding value error for k equals 0. Evaluates whether the k parameter equals 0, handling the edge case where random.sample could potentially raise value error depending on Python version and context. Immediately returns an empty list when k equals 0, safely sidestepping any call to random.sample in this special case. Delegates to random.sample with the original population and k values only when k is not 0, preserving full sampling functionality while excluding the k equals 0 edge case. Invokes the newly defined safe_sample function with an empty list as the population argument and 0 as k, verifying correct behavior for the edge case. Never assume edge cases like k equals 0 are safe. Explicit validation prevents cryptic runtime errors. Subscribe for daily coding videos.